From the city of Denton, this is a DTV Newsbreak.
Hello, I'm Sadia Moore for the city of Denton with this DTV Newsbreak. It's not too late to register for this year's Stream Clean. It's Denton's large-scale waterway cleanup event on October 6th. Help improve the appearance of our city and make an impact on our quality of life. Visit cityofdenton.com/streamclean to register yourself or your group. North Texas Mean Green Football opens Conference USA play on Saturday. First up is Louisiana Tech here in Denton. They're off to their best start since '66 and have plenty to look forward to. Learn how you can make the most of winter gardening at a workshop on September 29th. It takes place at the Emily Fowler Central Library and runs from 10 until noon. It will cover best practices, plants, and some great tips. It's free, but you can RSVP at dentonlibrary.com. That does it for this edition of DTV Newsbreak. For the city of Denton, I'm Sadia Moore. Thanks for watching.
Watch more city videos at youtube.com and visit our website. Stay connected with the city of Denton.